Right, so you want to take some cool pictures like this one you can see on screen there that I took. Oh, I ain't took yet, but the one you'll see on screen I took in about a half hour's time. I'm going to make it really simple. I'm going to quickly show you the items you need. We're going to keep it basic. We're not going to go into too much technical detail. It's going to be simple and to the point. Items you need. It's a bit of safety first. Some gloves, because you might burn your hands. Some different gloves, any gloves will do. You don't want big old bad boys like this, no. You won't be able to hold on to the spinning thing you're going to spin. So some little garden, these are old garden gloves. You need wire wool. You can get this from all like DIY shops, B&Q, etc. Really cheap, ain't going to cost you much. If you know someone that's a plumber or something, just ask to borrow a bit. You only need a little bit, you don't need this much. You need a little bit more safety. You need like something like a hat, because you don't want to burn your hair. I ain't got much hair to burn, so you don't want to start burning your hair, so put some sort of hat on, or if you've got a hoodie, put that up. Then these little sparks ain't going to get you. You want a pair of sunglasses as well. My sunglasses are in the car. You need a pair of sunglasses, just to put them in, just a little bit of added safety. You are going to need a tripod. It's going to have to be dark outside as well. You're going to need a tripod. Optional extra, you might want to take a torch. Well, I've got this torch like this. It's got a magnet at the back so it can connect to pretty much most things, side of a car or something, for example. Yeah. So a couple of torches, because you can have different effect with different torches in the background. So a couple of torches, optional extra now. What else was there? Oh, that was it. Oh, you need some sort of lead or rope. I use dog's old lead. It's got a nice big clip at the thing there, so you can clip your whisk on the end. The last item you need is a whisk. A whisk, you know, like a whisk. We had one that I used last time and I broke it and it ain't been replaced. So me and the boy are going to ping to Tesco's now before we go out to take the pictures that you can see on screen or whatever, and buy a whisk. They're cheap. We're just going to pick up a wheel. I want to pick up two, so the missus have got one. I can just keep one tucked away. I did say to her last time I used it and I kind of broke it a bit. I said, save that. I'll use that as one when I take any more of these pictures. It's gone. It's been binned. She's done it on purpose. Main thing you need a camera. Basically, if I was you, just put it in a really light, low ISO, 100. I'd say 100. If you don't go down that low, 200, 300 maybe, and then keep the shutter speed to about 5 to 20 seconds, and that's all you need. That is all you need. Tripod, does say tripod, but we're going to take some pictures now. Try to keep this video short, get me back in the game, put a video up for a little while. Like I said, you need a whisk. This is the whisk of choice. It has got little rubber bits at the end, but they'll just burn off and it's metal underneath. You don't want whisks like this that are all plastic, and you don't want ones like that. But you could use one like this. This is all metal at the end. It's got a plastic handle, but it's got a little... I'm getting both of these anyway. Two whisks. So we've got the whisk connected to the dog's lead, gloves on, and all I'm going to literally do is spin it like that. We'll see how the image comes out. I'm going to be able to really see it from here, but I've got the camera set up. The boy's down there in shot. He's down there. He's all ready just to light it, so you can light it whenever you want, Lou. I've got this on a 10-second shutter speed. Go on then, spin that, Lou. So he's lit the thing. Now he's going to spin it, and as soon as he starts spinning, I'm going to press the button. Right, so that's 10 seconds. That's what the image you can see from the boy. Look at that. That's it, done. So now this image is processing. And there you go, look at that. Look at that. That was well good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And there we go, that's a few images as you can see on screen. This is a few we did. We didn't really set the scene up well. There's another one, which is this one was in an alleyway. The next one was in an alleyway as well, just by the side of my house. But you can have fun with it. We didn't really take our time, we was only there half hour or something, but you get some decent images out of it if you just take your time, set the scene up nicely, have a few tries, make sure it's in focus.